Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. Happy couponing day. Yes, I'm currently at Walgreens and I am excited to share with you guys the news. There's no news. I'm excited to share with you guys the couponing deals this week. There's some great deals. I'm going to try to stack them with Ibotta. We will see what happens. Sorry for not doing a Walmart video on Thursday. I had a garage sale this weekend and it was a big one. I do have a video that I will be posting, but not for a couple more weeks because many reasons, and I will share with you guys when the time has come. But yeah, I had a garage sale on Thursday and I just have been going. Today I'm excited to go couponing, get my videos uploaded, and then I'm just gonna relax with a book because I have been, actually we gotta put some of our garage sale stuff away, but I have been just going for the last like 5 days and I just need a break. And I also have my MRI tomorrow for my pinched nerve. My arm still is like a little numb and tingly, but I can still work with a lot of it. So we will see what happens with my MRI. I will keep you guys posted with that. But let's go inside and have some fun shopping and couponing at Walgreens on this nice, awesome morning, you guys. It is 60 something degrees right now. 60. Last week it was jacket weather, I think. This week it's 60. So, yes. So here we have the Nivea Men's Body Wash. These are $6.99. The women's are $7.99. They're currently buy one, get one 50% off. So you can buy two of them. You would pay $10.48. But then you get a $5 cash rewards for every two that you buy. And you can buy as many as you want. And you can pay with Walgreens cash. So you'll get that $5 back, making them $5.48 or just $2.74 each if you guys want to do that. But if you wanted to, there's an online deal that's even better deal. So what you're going to do is you're going to buy these for $10.48. You're going to times that by 2. So you're going to buy 4 of them for $20.97. Okay, $20.97. But there is a Nivea deal where if you use the code Nivea online, where you get, if you spend $15, you get $5 off. So you're going to get that $5 off right there. But since we're buying 4 of them, you're going to get $10 back with Ibotta. So that comes out to be just $5.97 or $1.49 each, which is an awesome deal. So this is an online only deal, which I am actually going to do online. So if you guys need some nuts, we have the whole cashews for $2.98. That's an awesome deal. We have the pieces, halves and pieces for buy one, get one free. So they're like $3 a bag, but this is a better bag and it's also 8.5 ounces, give or take. Then we also have the like trail mix stuff. Those are $1.78 along with the dry roasted peanuts, $1.78. So if you guys need some nuts, even pistachios are $2.98. Awesome deal. Just saying. Okay, make sure you guys are checking clearance because my store has clearance everywhere. These markers right here were $11.49 and now they're marked down to $2.79. I checked last week and they were not $2.79, but these are perfect permanent markers and the kids love them. But they have a bunch of stuff marked down, folders, other things for, you got 99 cents for a folder, $2.49. We got binders, $3.49. I'm always looking at tape deals, so if I can find tape at a good price, just giving you guys a heads up. Yes. They're still doing the feminine care deal where if you buy like 2 of them, you could get a $5 register reward. My store doesn't have any of the $1.49 ones. That's a really good deal. But otherwise, they have some Kotex. If you guys check out my past videos, I have all the breakdowns. I'm not getting any of this stuff today because I don't need any more feminine care products, but definitely check them out. I mean, they got some really awesome deals. Check to see what your store has for clearance that you could stack on top of it. But yes. If you need some hand sanitizer, the Purell is on sale this week for just $4. We currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupons, so you'll get them both for just $5 or $2.50 each if you guys like some Purell. I know some people like the Method hand soap. These are just on sale for $4, which can be a great deal. And then they have some soft soap too for $5. I miss those deals. And then the Safeguard is $4.99 or $5.49 at buy one get one 50% off also. So here we have a pretty decent deal. The Walgreens brand Head and Shoulders. These are $2 off this week, so they're making them, some of them are $3.99. So what you could do is buy 2 of them for $7.98, but then you get the $5 cash rewards, making them $2.98 or just $1.49. So if you guys don't care about brand name, that is a pretty awesome deal. We also have the big bottles of the Walgreens brand for $7.99, and I didn't see these ones. These are $5.49 for, so you get the value size, or you can get the everyday clean for $5.49, but still pretty good deal for $3.99. Yes, and there's some other ones too. So if you guys need some Clairol or Nice and Easy, these are $10.49. My store still has the clearance ones, but I'm not getting any of these. But they're $10.49. So together you will pay $20.98 for 2 of them. But we currently have a 6 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You will end up just paying $14.98, but then every 2 that you buy, you will receive a $5 cash rewards, making them just $9.98 or $4.99 each. If you guys need some hair dye, pretty okay deal if you guys need some hair dye. So the Colgate and the Oral-B is on sale, but I did the week last week and my coupons never reset, so I don't have any new coupons. But what we're gonna do is get this Burt's Bees. These are on sale for just $3.50. So it's right here. But then we have a $3 off digital coupon. So you're gonna end up buying 2 of those. You will pay $4 for the 2, but then when you purchase the 2 of them, you will receive a $3 register reward, making these just 50 cents. So 50 cents for kids toothpaste can be a pretty okay deal if you guys are interested with that. Here's another deal that I'm doing. I'm gonna get 2 of the Oral-B Gentle Glides. My husband wants these ones. And then I'm gonna get 1 of the toothpaste. So the toothpaste is $4 on sale. So we're gonna get 1 of the $4 toothpaste, and then I'm gonna get 2 of the $4 picks. Now there's a deal where if you spend 12, you get $6. Okay, we currently have a $2 off digital coupon, and yes, you can use this with Ibotta, but you're going to use that $2 off digital coupon. You will end up paying $12. You will end up taking that $2 off coupon, so you'll pay $10. Now this is a deal where I say don't pay with register rewards because it is a spend deal, so do not pay with points because it is a spend deal. But anyways, you will pay $10 for the 2 of them. You will receive a $6 register reward, so that makes it $4. But then there is an Ibotta deal for $2 back with a limit of 1. And I'm also going to get a 50-cent bonus since I did this deal last week with a different deal. But I'm going to end up getting at least $2 back with that, making them just $2 or 66 cents each, 67 cents each. But since I'm getting the 50 cents back, these each come out to be 50 cents each, which is a pretty great deal. Sorry for confusing you, but a great deal. So here we have the Persil, the 40 ounce for not $9.49. That is ridiculous. $9.49. It is on sale this week for just $5.99. We currently have a $2 off digital coupon, which is not popping up, but there is a $2 off digital coupon, and we will just click the item to see if it pops up. But a $2 off digital coupon right here, and this is up to your discretion, but you're going to end up paying just $3.99 for the 1. But then there is, again, up to your discretion, $1.50 back with Ibotta, making this just $1.49 or $2.49, which is a pretty decent deal. So you guys can choose what you want if you choose to do this deal. So here we have the deal of the week. $8.99 for Purex, you guys. $8.99. These are currently buy 1 get 2 free, so you basically will get them for just $2.99 each. Sorry, you can't see that. $3 each if you guys are interested in some Purex. I know they do go down to $1.99, but it just depends on what you guys need to get. Sorry the music is a little too loud where I'm standing, but here we got some Walgreens brand eardrops for $5.49 at buy one get one 50% off. You would pay $8.23, but then you get a $5 register reward, making it $3.23 or just $1.61. We have some ear cleaners that they have. The lens wipes are included for this big 120 pack. We also have some saline solution for customer assistance needed in the laundry detergent department. But here we have these for some saline solution for $6.99, and then they have some multi-purpose solution for $5.99. And then I don't know if I'm finding anything else worth it, but some eardrop relief for $7.99. Pretty great deal if you guys need some ear stuff. So here we have the A&W 7-Up Dr. Pepper products. These are on sale this week. 3 for $11.99, which is a pretty good deal considering they want $10 for a 12-pack of pop. That's ridiculous. But 3 for $11.99. We currently have a $1 off of 3 digital coupon that you guys can use. You will get these for $10.99. That comes out to be $3.66, I think. Yeah, $3.66 for a 12-pack of pop, which is an okay deal considering, again, they want $10 for it. So I'm debating if I want to do this deal because I can't pass up root beer deals, but I'm trying to cut back on soda. So yeah. Hello everybody, hello. So yes, went to Walgreens. I was a little slow today. I was looking for a lot of clearance at my store. They had a lot of it, but just not a lot that was like shooting out at me, so I didn't get very much, but I'm so happy with what I got. So I ended up doing the Nivea deal online. I just did it while I was in the store because then I have it pulled and it's ready to go. So these were $6.99. Now there's 2 different scenarios that you guys can do. $6.99, buy one get one 50% off. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You will pay $10.98 for the both of these, but then you get a $5 cash rewards every 2 that you buy, making it $5.48 or just $2.74. And yes, you can pay with Walgreens cash to do this deal. The next deal, or otherwise what you could do is buy 4 of them online. So you're gonna buy 4 of them. They are again $6.99, buy one get one 50% off. There is a code where if you buy 3, or if you spend 15, you get $5 off. So what you're gonna do is buy 4 of them. You're gonna use the code Nivea. It shows it right on the item. You will pay $15.97 for 3 of them, but you will receive $10 Walgreens cash rewards, making it $5.97 for 4 of them, or just $1.49. So can't go wrong with that. My husband loves the Nivea body wash, so I got that. The next deal I did was a spend deal, so I didn't pay with any points. People told me you can. I just don't, just to be on the safe side. But these were each $4 each. Now, I used a $2 off digital coupon for the Crest. And yes, you guys can do this deal with Ibotta. But you're going to end up using that $2 off digital coupon. You will pay $10 for the 3 of these. But you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back with this one. And then I also got a 50-cent bonus. And then you will get a $6 register reward when you purchase the, when you spend $12, you get a $6 register reward. So it comes out to be either just $2 or and 67 cents without the bonus, or $1.50 or 50 cents each with the bonus. So usually we say don't pay for toothpaste, but with the times being these days, I think that's okay. If you don't want to say you paid for this, you could say this is free, and these were 75 cents, which is still a great deal if you guys need some of that. And then I ended up getting the markers. Again, they're $2.79. I could not pass these up. My kids love, I hate to say it, they love permanent markers. They're just like better than the other ones, but they do color at the kitchen table with these. And I got 2 of them so they don't fight. Yes, so they don't fight. Otherwise, there are like 2 of each color in here. So I could keep 1 set for me because I do write thank you notes. So I got that. Now I ended up getting a Persil. This is $5.99. I used a $2 off digital coupon, making it $3.99. And then up to your discretion, because my receipt doesn't show that I used a Persil coupon that just says a manufacturer coupon and a manufacturer e-coupon, and I bought a bunch of stuff on the same transaction, so it doesn't say it, so it's up to you guys. But you can submit your receipt for $1.50 off of Ibotta, making this just $2.99. And Persil is my baby. Persil is my baby, and they've changed all their looks, but I still love Persil. Can't go wrong for $2.99. Then I ended up getting the Burt's Bees toothpaste. These were $3.50. I used a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. I did not write this down. You would pay $4 for the 2 of these, but then you get a $3 register reward, making them just 50 cents each. So 50 cents each is a pretty decent deal. Yes. Bubblegum and strawberry splash. Can't go wrong with that. Can't go wrong with that. And then I ended up doing the Walgreens Head and Shoulders deal because I think this is a really great deal. My store did not have 2 of the apple ones, so I got 1 of the apple. These were $3.99. For this deal, you're going to buy 2 of them. You will pay $7.98 for 2 of these, but then you will get $5 cash rewards, making it $2.98 or just $1.49. And I've noticed that some of the store brand names are the same thing. So if you guys like this deal, definitely go ahead. This is the first time maybe that I've done the Walgreens deal, or Walgreens Head and Shoulders. So I ended up getting the big bottle. This was $5.49. Together you will pay $10.98. You'll get that $5 register reward, making it $5.98 or just $2.99. So it's still cheaper than getting the Head and Shoulders. So I got this just to see if my husband would use these. So yeah. And plus I get an employee discount, so it was a little bit cheaper for me, and that's why I got that. So my total altogether came to be $43.84. I did do 3 transactions because I did the one. I had to do the one Oral-B deal without the employee discount because it was a spend 12 deal, so I could not use my discount. And then I ended up doing the online deal. So altogether, my total came to $43.84 for everything. I did receive $9 with register rewards. My points was $15.52. I got $5 for the Walgreens deal, or the Walgreens shampoo, and then I got $10 for the Nivea, so $15.52. Ibotta, I did receive $3.50, but then I also got a 50-cent bonus for the Crest deal. So my grand total came to $15.32. I ended up getting 14 items at $1.09 each. So it's okay. I mean, if you think about it, 15 bucks for all that stuff is a pretty good deal. I did get markers, so that was one thing that I've been eyeing up at my store for weeks, and then when you guys told me it was marked down, I think 2 weeks ago, I checked last week and they were not. But yeah, that was everything that I got at Walgreens. I wanted to get some Colgate and Crest, but my store, it showed in the ad when I was looking at the ad on my computer that there was digital coupons, but I had no digital coupons because I used them up last week. And then a lot of the feminine care deal, a lot of that stuff is all sold out, but I don't need any more of that stuff. I wish like tampons was included, because I wouldn't mind trying the Walgreens brand tampons, but my store really slacks at putting tags up now since they're not a 24-hour store. So I've noticed that. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this haul, make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. Make sure you follow me. If you guys could do me a deal, if you guys have TikTok, follow me on TikTok. It's like DesignerJen, I think is what it is. I am like really close to hitting 10,000. I'm like less than 2,000 subscribers from hitting 10,000. And I know like I think you can get monetization when you hit 10. It'd be great. It'd be great if you guys could help me out. I'm trying to push more on TikTok and everything. So if you guys could do that, follow me on there. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.